Okay, it's day 35. We're leaving Navarrenx and heading for Aroue. 3 more days we'll be in St. Jean. 4 more days we'll be on the Camino on Francis, the Francés Camino. Here we go.
This morning I walked the perimeter outside the fortified walls of Navarrenx, where the old military encampments once protected this frontier town. You can still feel that sense of defense and purpose here. Stone walls, open ground. A place built to stand firm. It's a quiet reminder that every pilgrim carries something worth guarding, faith, hope, or simply the courage to keep walking. These walls were once a serious line of defense, France's first bastion fortress from the 1500s. It's strange to stand where soldiers once trained, now just another quiet stop on the Camino.
Very cool. Okay, like I said a few minutes ago, we are leaving Navarrenx and heading to Aroue. Day 35 here on Camino 25 on the Via Podiensis. Here we go.
Paroisse Saint-François de Navarrenx is part of the parish centered in Navarrenx in southwest France. I stepped into Paroisse Saint-François de Navarrenx before leaving town. The church dates back to the 16th century, built during a time when Navarrenx was both a religious and military stronghold. Thick stone walls, simple lines, a place shaped by both faith and conflict. Like so many Camino churches, it stands as a quiet refuge for pilgrims. A place to sit, breathe, and remember why you started. By midday, the trail turned into mud. Not a little mud, relentless mud. Shoes heavy, poles sinking, every step negotiated. This is the part of pilgrimage no one glamorizes. Progress measured in patience, not kilometers. Sometimes the Camino isn't about speed, it's about not quitting. And then, in the distance, the Pyrenees appeared, snow still resting on their peaks. Stopped me in my tracks. For days, I've been walking toward them. Now they're no longer an idea, they're real. The mountains feel both inviting and humbling. A reminder that the Camino always asks something of you before it gives something back. Somewhere along the way, I stopped at a small roadside stand selling homemade French pâté, simple, local, unpolished, and absolutely perfect. These are the surprises I love about the Via Podiensis. A reminder that the journey isn't just about endurance, it's also about savoring what's placed right in front of you. Arriving in Aroue felt peaceful, almost hidden. I stepped into the village church with a French friend, and he began to sing softly. His voice filled the small stone space in a way that felt timeless. No microphones, no audience, just beauty echoing against ancient walls. Moments like that stay with you long after the walking ends.
And strong, just remember in the winter, far beneath the bitter snow, lie the sea and with sandstone in the spring becomes the rose.
Dinner at the Gîte Communal de Roue was simple and amazing. Good food, shared stories, tired pilgrims around a long table. Afterward, I stepped outside one more time. In the fading light, the Pyrenees were still there in the distance. Tomorrow, they're closer. Tonight, I rest, grateful for the road behind me and the mountains ahead.